We got a call this week from a potential client. It's a fairly good sized law firm in Los Angeles. They called us and told us their IT guy died last night. What makes things worse is they don't know. They don't have any information about IT. They don't know where the passwords are. They don't know any of the documentation. They don't know anything. Unfortunately, we see this type of scenario very frequently, not necessarily where somebody dies, but a lot of times IT companies or IT guys, girls, they hold their clients hostage, right? For one reason or another, they could disappear, they go on vacation, they get sick, things like that, and the client is left neglected, right? They can't work, they can't access anything, they can't make any changes. If they need to let go of a person, they can disable their access. If they need to bring a new person, they can set up access for them. As a business owner, business manager, it is your responsibility to make sure you have a copy of all the passwords, all the documentation, all the processes. Another big thing that we see with companies is the website domain. They don't know who owns it or who's registered. They just know the website's working. All of a sudden, the IT guy leaves, their website stops working. They go in and check, and the domain owner is the IT person and not the company. A lot of times it's a very long and expensive battle to get the domain back. And we've seen cases where the domain was never gotten back. So as a business owner, it's critical for you to keep track of all that information and make sure you have a copy of the passwords, all of the software, licensing, hardware, everything, just in case this situation occurs, you're not left stranded and your business is basically not able to operate. Click the link below to download our IT survival checklist, right? It'll go through a few things to make sure you as a business owner or business manager has that necessary information to function in case something happens to your IT company or IT person, right? You don't want to be left stranded. I'm Igor Pinchevsky, CEO and founder of itfirm.com. If you need assistance with your IT or cybersecurity, please reach out to us, itfirm.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.